Snake facts so weird. They sound fake, but they're 100% real. Let's talk snakes. Nature's slithery horror noodles with plot twists no one asked for. First up, some snakes can actually breathe through their butts during hibernation. Yep, oxygen goes in, the exit door. Next, male snakes have two reproductive organs. Do they use both? Nah, just one at a time. The other one's basically nature's, in case of emergency, break glass. Then there's the garter snake. You can literally freeze one in ice and it might still wake up alive when it thaws. Like a reptile popsicle from hell. Oh, and some female snakes, they don't even need a male. They can clone themselves. Just pure independent woman energy. No man, no problem. Last one. A decapitated snakehead can still bite and inject venom an hour after death. So yeah, you can still lose to a snake that's already dead.